This is Norma Davey with your Mobile Minute. Are you a LinkedIn user? Do you sometimes wish you could get some expert advice? Let me show you a quick tip. Go into your LinkedIn, click to create a post, look down at the bottom and you'll notice an option for Find an Expert. Click Ask Your Network. And now you can fill in the categories with what you're looking for. So if you click up there, it'll give you a menu down at the bottom of some options of what you might be looking for. Click your location. You can type in what you're looking for. It'll pre-populate. And it'll also give you suggestions at the bottom, or you can write in your own. Once you get it how you want it, click Next. And now it'll create a post to be able to ask your network for specific help. If you found this tip helpful, be sure and give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching Your Mobile Minute.